Thank you for coming back to my channel and having lunch with me. This is Cirocco, 50 and Fab, and that's what it is. And this is what 50 looks like. Hey, you better hope that you look like me at 50. Anyway, if you can see me through all the steam, I just been in the kitchen slaving. I am starving. So I want to bless the food and then we can get right on in. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for the nutrition to my body. In Jesus' heavenly name I pray. Amen. So I got a Sprite on deck. I got scissors. What I have is, that'd be a cute thumbnail, right? What I have is crab legs, sausage, shrimp, beloved smackalicious sauce, corn, potatoes, just the kind of the regular, the usual. So I fried my sausage. Instead of boiling it. It's gooder like that. What I did was I just poured the smackalicious sauce over everything. So I usually have it in a separate bowl and dip it, but dang, I might need my scissors already. Let me see. Yeah, don't be difficult. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. The bad thing about just pouring the sauce over, I just not discovered that all the seasoning, the goodies, are on top of the food. Mm. This corn is so sweet. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. That was so good. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Mm, oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Mm, mm. It's spicy. And the spices are in my nose, y'all. Mm, mm, I wish you was here so I could share it with you. Skirt. Mm, 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 mm. How many of y'all like cooked onions? Oh, and this garlic butter sauce. Mm-mm-mm. And I'm Italian. So that goes without saying how much I love garlic. I love garlic. I was raised on a lot of garlic. And garlic has a lot of healing powers. And I just, when I make this garlic sauce, I put this macalicious sauce, I put so much garlic and onions in it. Mm. Get the butter run down here. Spicy. Mm. 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 Ooh, so good. So good. Mm. So good. Ooh, it's so good. Mm. 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 I was like, eat some. So I bought this Xanaran, they announced it, the seafood bag, extra spicy. When I boil the water, so excuse me. So and plus the spices in the spackalicious sauce, it's super spicy. Mm. Probably not as spicy as some of y'all like to eat spicy, but it's spicy to me. The back of my throat is burning, my lips, but it's good. Seems like the more I eat hot stuff, before I was a mukbanger, I didn't eat hot nothing. And since I became a mukbanger, I started eating hot stuff. So, like I built myself up. So now I can eat stuff that I used to couldn't eat. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I built my tolerance up for hot stuff. Now I'm not where a lot of y'all at. Mm. But I can hang a little bit, y'all. Not much, but I can hang a little bit. Not the one chip challenge though. I'm not gonna do that. Mm-mm. But my brother said he'd do it, so I'm thinking about ordering it. Cause he's like, I could go 5 minutes, but I don't think he realizes that even after the 5 or 10 minutes is over, like the heat don't go away. I've watched enough videos to know that that junk is hot, 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 and it's torture. Excuse me. It's torture. Torture. There's no way in the world I'm gonna eat that. Mm-mm. No way. No how. For no amount of money. No how. They couldn't give me $1 million to eat a one chip challenge. Mm, I may would. Mm-mm. It would have to be $1 million though. And they act like it burns for a long time. Like the heat just don't go away. Mm-mm. I seen one guy just get in the bathtub and start running cold water. That's probably what I would do. It makes a lot of sense to me. I would just get in a cold bathtub. I don't know. I don't know what I'd do. Probably call 911. Mm-mm. I think I was watching a Ozma, no, where they don't talk, and it was an Asian girl, and they're not supposed to do no talking, they just eat and crunch. Ozma, anyway, she did the one chip challenge, baby. She was cussing. She had to turn the camera off. She thought that ice cream was gonna help. That little ice cream didn't help. That ice didn't help. Mm-mm. It's funny, man. I get tickled. I like watching it. And I get tickled about. Y'all already know my Yorkies. No. How good they are. Um, it's funny how you say it's just a chip. How can a chip? I don't think it's a chip. Yeah, I don't think it's potatoes in there. I watched so many videos, and some people took it like a real champ. They did. Not too many. Not too many. Most of them got on their knees. Like, it brought the whole female out of them. I don't know what it is, but I think it's just pressed peppers. The hottest peppers in the world. I think it's just I don't think it's like a chip with. Excuse me. I don't think it's a chip with hot stuff sprinkled on it. No. Because as soon as they swallow it, That's when the heat starts coming, and then it gets worse and worse, and it don't go away. I like watching it though. I like watching people watch to eat the peppers and lollipops and all that stuff. I love watching it because it's so funny. I mean, everybody likes watching it. They get big, big reviews when they do stuff like that. But what would you do for views? Like, I'm a very small channel. I've been doing it. I think my first video was about 6 months ago, but in the process of that, I stopped for over a month, taking care of my dad, and then he passed. And then I just really wasn't, I was kind of down in the dumps, you know how that is. So, out of 6 months, I think the first 2 months or 3 months, I was real consistent, real good. And like 2 months went by, and for one whole month, I didn't think I made any, or maybe two. And then I started back making one a week or one every 2 weeks, something like that. So I'm just now really getting back to doing them more often. I still don't do them every day, but I've been doing good lately. To do them more often, as you see. So I'm pretty much done. I'm full. Y'all know I just got over a flu. I did really good. I love you guys. Please subscribe, hit that notification button, leave a comment, share, and I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and thank you for the support. I'm so humbly gracious. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Mwah.